Afternoon, an Albuquerque man says it was just a typical day at the local co-op until a woman came into the store and put his health at risk. Now he's hoping his story can be a warning to others. News 13's Jeannie Nguyen is live in Nob Hill with a look at what this man says happened.
People come in and out of this co-op all day and a lot of them wear masks, but on Saturday this man forgot his mask and he got a rude reminder as to why he should not forget it at home.
I was standing in line. A lady walked past me, removed her mask, coughed in my face, put her mask back on, and then continued walking.
Marco ROYBAL says the woman was tired of people not wearing masks out in public. That's when ROYBAL pulled out his camera to take a photo of the woman, who then flipped him off. We are not showing the woman's face because no charges have been filed yet. ROYBAL reported the woman to police and doesn't expect much to come out of that investigation, but he does have a message for her.
It doesn't matter what anybody's doing or what you think is right or wrong. That doesn't give you a right to cough in somebody's face. It doesn't give you a right to put somebody else's life or their health on the risk.
Now, we tried to ask the staff today about the incident, but they were not able to tell us anything, and the store manager never returned our call. However, staff did tell us this type of behavior is not welcomed at their store, and that person would have been kicked out. They also sanitize their carts and the store on an hourly basis every day. As for ROYBAL, he says he's going to quarantine himself for the next 7 days and then get tested. He also says he wants this to be a reminder to people to be kind during this time. Back to you.
Okay, Jeannie. We tried calling Albuquerque police to get an update on this case, but they were not able to give us one. ROYBAL says police told him they consider this assault.